Welcome to Just Biodegradable Technology Company Limited, established in 2016. We are a professional degradable sustainable packaging solution supplier. Provide overall services from packaging design to mass production, including structural engineering design, CNC mold making, mold polishing and meshing. Pulp making, automatic molded pulp production, automatic spray varnish, automatic edge cutting, all products have to go through 5 checks in the whole process. At the same time, we have professional laboratories and quality department to verify the feasibility of products, mainly include 3D scanning, reverse engineering, tensile strength test, and blasting apparatus, etc. Furthermore, we have passed ISO 9001, FSC, RoHS, REACH, Tech certifications, and have 55 patents authorized by the state. Our main products are molded pulp packaging trays and boxes for electronics, cosmetic beauty, wine industries. We are committed to providing strategic partners with full support and through effective communication, jointly develop development plans to maximize brand value. In order to better meet the needs of customers, we have 20 quality management personnel, RD and senior professionals. We handle all aspects of logistics and exports around the world. Thank you for your watching and time. Looking forward to your coming.